Who knew that making salted caramel fudge was so easy and so delicious? Hi, and welcome back to Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. We're going to start by prepping our cake pan, in which we're going to set the fudge. So we're going to butter the bottom and the sides of the cake pan, and then put 2 parchment papers with a little overhang, which makes it easy to remove the fudge. And I always like to prep the cake pan and keep it aside so that now I can concentrate on making the fudge. To a heavy bottom pan, we're going to add 160 grams of white granulated sugar and 100 ml of water. On a medium heat, we're going to caramelize the sugar. First, you'll find that it'll start boiling. After some time, it'll start changing color, and we're going to allow it to cook till it caramelizes and we get the desired color. Now we're going to lower the heat and gradually pour in 120 ml of whipping cream or heavy cream. We're going to give it a quick whisk till it combines with the caramelized sugar. We're going to increase the heat and allow it to cook till it thickens. You want to keep whisking it so that it does not burn and stick to the bottom of the pot. Now, what my guests like about this Christmas treat is that it's sweet and savory at the same time. And it's always a good time to put one in your mouth. Once the mixture has thickened, it's time to add in 125 grams of unsalted butter and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to whisk it till the butter melts and the mixture thickens once again. You'll find that the butter gives the caramel a lovely glossy look. Once the mixture is thickened, we're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, which is approximately 397 grams. And now we're going to continue whisking it till it thickens once again. And once the mixture begins to bubble and has thickened, it's time to switch off the heat and add in 300 grams of white chocolate. And I have chopped it up into smaller bits so that it melts faster. And now you're going to keep stirring it around till the chocolate melts and you have a lovely, luscious mixture. Now this is totally optional, but I like to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and we're going to keep stirring the mix till it comes to room temperature. At this point, you'll find that it has thickened and it's ready to be poured into the cake pan that we had prepared earlier. Wow, just look how delicious that looks. Now you're going to give it a few taps to remove any air bubbles. And then using your spatula, you're going to give it a lovely texture on the top. And now let's sprinkle on some of that flaky sea salt on the top. We're going to cover it up and place it into the refrigerator to set for approximately 6 to 8 hours. The fudge is set, and now it's time to unmold it. Now we're going to peel off the sides of the parchment paper and start cutting the fudge. I like to cut them into small square pieces. Now we're going to cut the fudge right down the center, and then we're going to cut 3 strips on either side. Now we're going to turn it around and cut the fudge into squares. I picked out this cute little tray to plate them in, and now let's garnish them with a little bit more of the flaky sea salt. And now it's time to give our salted caramel fudge a taste. Wow. Wow, this caramel fudge, it's so soft and creamy and just melts in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try for Christmas. So hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, where you will find the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.